Movie time. Oh, the lights. I wonder how many ways I can turn the lights off without getting up. Alexa!
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Can you grab the lights? I didn't think about that one.
Not only is Protect America's smart lighting good for everyday convenience, but it's also a great idea when it comes to safety. Like having your lights come on when you arrive, or giving the illusion that someone is home when you're away. Plus, you can set lighting schedules, saving you energy and money. Take control of your home today with smart lighting from Protect America. Give us a call or go online to protectamerica.com/securityyourway.